Hello, trading is closed on July 28th, 2014. I'm Tennant. After Friday's close, I said the most likely scenario for me would be a rally. I didn't think it would be worth playing. I said if the call failed, we would most likely take out Friday's low quickly, ideally by having a gap under it. Well, we took out the low fairly quickly. We actually closed up, but so little up it wasn't worth playing. There was a mejt target of 1971.20 from July 21st. The target printed, and as usual we found support under it. During the day, the software identified the target. A red dot means it printed outside of its preferred time frame. There was a sell signal early in the day. The target was the thick line. It was too close to justify taking the call. The rally in the afternoon is marked by the system as a false move, and this thick line, 1970.81, is the new mejt target, most likely to print by early Wednesday. We had a buy signal in the afternoon, but the target was hit immediately. We still rallied, even though we didn't have to according to the rules of the system. The S means if the move is immediate, it tends to be strong. 1 gives the reason why. Thick lines in the software are the targets. Thin lines can be either resistance or support. Well, we have a little problem here in that we have conflicting indicators. We have the 1970.81 target. We also have a pattern based on somebody else's work which tends to drop all afternoon and close near the low. And when we do not drop all afternoon and close near the low, typically there is a rally the following day unless we gap down sharply, ideally under this low. That means if we're going to see this price immediately, most likely it would be with a gap down that we wouldn't be able to trade during regular trading hours. So how likely is it that this high, which is a mejt resistance area, will hold and that we're going to have a gap down? We have to rely on some other indicators for that. At the high, we can draw a Fibonacci grid from this low to this high, take the 61.8% level, and find Fibonacci resistance. At the low, it's the origin of the left stilt of the inverted diamond on stilts pattern. Typically, the first challenge holds and the second one fails badly. So that makes a big drop tomorrow plausible. It's a bit confusing that this one didn't really hold very long, but it did hold some. On another tack, if you connect this top with this top, you get the top here. If you connect this low with this low and this high, you get this top. So we have trend line resistance at the high. We have a trader VIX sell signal because during the day we traded under the true range low of 1973.63. So we have a lower mejt target, most likely to print by early Wednesday. If that is the next move, the odds favor the afternoon high holding and this price printing on a gap down. That's today's call.